Do you know the best thing about buying boat insurance? It's that you own a boat, which is good. I'm a boater myself. I've been boating for 40 years. I've had big boats and little boats and sailboats and cabin cruisers and all kinds of different stuff. I'm currently in an open fisherman. Um, the thing with boat insurance that is nice is that there's lots and lots and lots of different coverages you can get, depending on your needs. You may want electronics and lots of stuff covered. You may just really just want the boat covered. um, One thing about boating insurance that I'm a little bit prejudiced of because I've been doing it for so long, I do recommend, whether you put coverage on the boat or not, to cover your assets liability-wise. Things happen quickly on boats. I've been swept overboard. I've come within an inch of losing my leg. Both things that were completely out of my control. So things can happen very quickly when you're out at sea. And the point is, if you're with somebody and they get hurt, that person's a friend or relative or neighbor or somebody close to you. And quite frankly, the only reason they'd be coming after you and trying to sue you usually is because the doctors and hospitals are eating them up and coming after them. So, it's very important that you cover your assets. Sometimes, personally, even more importantly than the boat itself. So, a lot of these coverages don't cost much, and and I guess the point is you should have an agent that you feel comfortable with that can go over different coverages with you, and not sell you insurance, but really just try to explain what coverages there are and what the price of those coverages are, and brainstorm if it makes sense for you. Um, so I guess whether you go with us or you find somebody else, look for an agency with lots of carriers to deal with. The more the carriers, the more the options. Try to find somebody that has a good reputation. Look for 4 and 5 star reviews, A+ ratings with Better Business Bureau and Trusted Choice, things like that. Obviously, you want to have somebody with some experience that understands boats, and probably maybe more importantly than anything is just try to find somebody nice that you feel comfortable with, that you feel like you can talk to, you can open up with a little bit, and and ask questions. So like I said, whether you go with us or you find somebody else, look for somebody with your best interest at heart. You'll be happy you did.